Hi, my name is Jack Mahoney, and I'm an 8th grader at Dunlap Valley Middle School working on a science fair project. I'm interested in increasing the amount of reading in kids. Your kindergarten teacher will be sending you new login info for Raz Kids. I've been doing Raz Kids with my kindergarten brother Rory, and I think it's a good program for early readers.
How do you get into Raz Kids?
To get into Raz Kids, go to the App Store, then search, then type in Raz Kids. To download Raz Kids, click on the download button and then it will begin to install on your phone. You can also get Raz Kids on your computer by going to razkids.com or searching Raz Kids on Google and signing in through that. On the site or app, enter your teacher's username, J. Meyer, A. Johnston 6, or K. Terry 17. After you enter your teacher's name, click on your name. Once you click on your name, enter your student password or symbol. After you log in, click on the reading room. Once you're in your reading room, select the level you want to read, then choose a book you want to read. If you have the book read to you, you get 10 points. If you read the book yourself, you get 50, and if you read it aloud, you get 60. After you read the book, you can take the quiz. If you get some wrong, you can fix your mistakes to get points. If you get all of them right, you will get 150 points. Please email me if you need help getting the app or have other questions about my project. This is my email.